Hey y'all, welcome back to Oli Makes. So, Easter's coming. What's better than a cutesy little decorative plate? A whole stack of cutesy little decorative plates. Today, we are going to knock out some Easter themed plates on the diode laser. Stick around, I'll show you how I do it. Well, we got another holiday coming up, so that means another set of cheap dollar store plates are getting decorated for my kitchen so I can feel fancy. So you should know the drill by now here. Gonna start with cheap dollar store glass plate already cleaned, and I'm using this as my mask. I'll pour some of this into the paint gun here. And using a HVLP gun, good old Harbor Freight equipment. I think this gun cost me like 26 bucks on sale. Okay, and here we go. Okay, we'll let that set, those plates set and dry, and I'll get the equipment cleaned up and we'll get them on the laser. All right, got these plates dried off here. Let's get this first one rolling. We'll do a frame job just to be safe. Pretty satisfied with that. Get this out of here. We'll go ahead and close her up. I'll hit the exhaust system and we'll get her going. First candidate just got done in the laser. That actually takes about, I think that was an hour and 10, an hour and 11 minutes. Yeah, that turned out pretty good, I think. That should make the wife fairly happy, I think. So I'll go ahead and start batching the rest of these out. Fixing to pull that last one off the laser here now. Get all these plates over here. Get ready to give them a good wash. This is probably my favorite part about doing these on a diode laser, is the cleanup is pretty darn simple. And I don't know how well this will show up here. Well, it looks pretty good. I am gonna go ahead and get the rest of these cleaned up and we'll be back and we'll do some pictures. And there we go. A setting for 4 for Easter. Let's see if I can get a little bit better of a close-up here on one of these. I don't know how well this green will contrast, but again, another cheap, easy way to spruce up the table for this year's holiday. And that's going to do it for this week's video. Again, thank y'all for hanging out with me and coming along. And we'll see you next time.